In speaking of brandy, I refer to grape brandy and specifically to either cognac or Armagnac. Other fruit brandies, apple, apricot, peach, cherry, blackberry, raspberry, etc., are of course something else. Delicious drinks of the sour type can be made with them also, but as a usual thing, they combine with other flavors in a manner quite different from the grape brandies. A heavy grape brandy, such as the Spanish, Portuguese, Greek, or South African, also produces a result differing widely from that of the cognac and Armagnac brandies. The next one we're going to do in this series is called a Betsy Ross. Super fun. Just making flags out here. Start off with 1 part blue Curaçao. Then we have 2 parts of port wine. Seems fine. This one, it's only 6 parts brandy instead of 8. I guess because of the port. I'm not even going to explain it, but it's going to be 3 of these. So pouring the brandy got cut out because I ran out of space on my memory card. So now we're on to shaking this up. Not pouring those shots again. It's 6 parts. That part's on there. Get over yourself. Alright, now we're going to pour this in a glass. Oh wow, that color is way different.
Ooh,
It's because the port is kind of a purplish mixed with that blue Curaçao. Anyways, this looks gross, kinda. Alright, so now we're going to try this Betsy Ross. Yep. Did you know that I always thought it'd be really funny to have like one of those, a heart tattoo with a scroll across it with a name and just have Betsy? So I never knew anyone named Betsy, so I thought, that's funny. I'd just be like, that's my favorite cow.
Yeah.
It's really sweet.
It smells like Kool-Aid.
Yeah, you kind of expect it to be.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's a little rough.
Oh, it's like purple cough medicine.
Yeah, it's almost good, but not quite. Like,
No.
I feel like you could add something to this,
It's like purple cough medicine.
and it would be really good. But for now, let's just call it a night. And good luck. Don't drink this one.